Hello folks, Chris Varr, the Trade Ideas Support and Education team here, continuing our Getting Started series. In this video, we're going to look at price alerts. Price alerts, very handy tool. We can set those on charts. They have their own window that they live in. When they go off, the price alerts window will jump at you, give a little flash. You can also set some volume and sound in that as well. So let's get into it. We're going to go right to new on the menu bar up here. We're going to look for price alerts. That's the P with the left on there. And we can see I've got a few price alerts that are in here already from random things that I'm working on in here. Like every other window, it starts with the default. We could always change those defaults. Everything lives in a right click, right? So if we right click here, we could start with just simply creating a price alert. Defaults want to create a SPY alert at 200, but we can change that ticker right up in here. So if I wanted to create a price alert for Tesla, we can go ahead and select that. We can see the price is currently around this number here. It's going to flex up and down. So then I could set it. Let's just say I want to see it at 424.5 and go ahead and set that. We want it to the long side. We can give it an expiration if we want. We can set this to trigger after hours or not trigger after hours. And I press save. And we can see that Tesla wanted to alert right away here. It even gave me a sound alert because we've just passed up over that. And if I go ahead and click on that, you'll see Tesla appear on my chart. There's a green line there indicating that price alert. You can also take the price alert and drag it, right? If I wanted to bring that price alert up here to be alerted when the price rises, I could take it and drag it down here to be alerted when the price falls as well. We don't just have to set the price alert through that window there. We can change that right on the chart. Let's go ahead and bring up Apple again. I can change the chart by clicking on it, typing APPL, excuse me. We'll get Apple here. I can right click this chart and we can create a price alert from the area that I'm at. So if we look here, I'm around that 239 area. Right click, 239, create that price alert. It'll give me the price alert menu again. I can decide I'm on the long side or short side. I can edit that price if I wanted to get it dialed in more by a few cents. I can leave notes here and I can save that, and that price alert will be blue and we know it's working. And we can see here on my price alerts window, it's working from above. The side is long. I have no notes in it. Columns that could be added and subtracted to this window here. If we right click, let's come down to columns. And like many other windows, the selected columns are going to live on the left. The bank of columns lives on the right, and I would go ahead and select, and if I wanted to get rid of it, move it from the left side to the right side with the arrow, or vice versa if I wanted to add it. Move it from the right side to the left side with the arrow there. Pressing OK will confirm my changes. A few other notes in here. When we right click here, we can delete price alerts by selecting them individually. We could also group them, select, drag, delete all those price alerts here. We right click and we come to actions. We can set play sound. We can go ahead and check that into the sound setup. And like all of our other sounds, you have the choice of the asterisk, beep, exclamation, and stop. They're all very similar. There's also the text to speech, which is very popular to use too. We close that out here. We'll take one more look at the right click here and just go over the last items. There are a few other items that we could show in here, how they would be working as a daily profit loss or win, intraday profit loss or win based on the price alert and its current price. We duplicate this window, and of course, if we set it up in a way that we want to default to it when we open, that'll open the same way every time. We have that save as default as well. Very straightforward with the price alerts window, but if you have any questions, please info@trade-ideas.com. Shoot us an email. There is our live support sessions, as I continuously mention, 12 p.m. Eastern on YouTube, free live traders room. These are all different ways to get at us and get some support. We thank you as always for watching, and we'll see you in another video. Take care.